Hello students of class 6, I will explain and continue with the land, water, land, air chapter in this video. Also in the last two video I have discussed about the stratosphere, troposphere, and today I am going to discuss about the mesosphere. So mesosphere is the third layer of the atmosphere. This layer lies above the stratopause. So we have our earth. So the first layer that we have is the troposphere, then we have the tropopause, then we have the stratosphere, then we have the layer of stratopause, and then we have the layer of the mesosphere. Okay, so the mesosphere is the third layer of the atmosphere. Tropopause and the stratosphere. The total extent of this layer is up to 80 kilometer. Within this 80 kilometer, the thick layer, there is a gradual decrease of temperature takes place with increasing altitude. Okay, so what is this saying is that the total extent of this mesosphere layer, extent means this is the total layer of the mesosphere, and this extent is about 80 kilometers. So within this 80 kilometer of the thick layer of the mesosphere, as we go up, the temperature decreases gradually, means with the altitude. Here I have written also the gradual decrease of the temperature takes place with the increasing altitude. Altitude means height. As we go, as the height increases, as the height of the mesosphere increases, the temperature within this mesosphere decreases, okay, or get cooler. The temperature in the mesosphere becomes as low as minus 80 degrees Celsius also. The upper boundary of the mesosphere is known as the mesopause. This mesopause has got the lowest temperature. Okay, So now let us see this layer of the mesosphere again. So mesosphere is the third layer of the atmosphere and lies above the stratosphere and the stratopause, and it extends up to a height of about 80 km. It is a thick layer where the gradual decrease of the temperature takes place with the increasing height, and over here the temperature which has been recorded, or the temperature over here, becomes as low as minus 80 degrees Celsius. Okay, so this is our earth. We have the first layer, that is the troposphere. This is the first layer of the earth. Over here the temperature decreases with the increasing altitude, similar like the mesosphere. After troposphere, the boundary is present between the troposphere and the stratosphere, and we call that boundary as the tropopause. Okay, so after tropopause we have the layer of stratosphere. In this particular layer of the stratosphere, the temperature increases with increasing height. Okay, then in between the stratosphere and the mesosphere there is a boundary between the stratosphere and the mesosphere. We call that boundary as the stratopause. Okay, and in this particular layer the temperature increases with the increasing height. Okay, then we are getting the third layer, and this third layer is the mesosphere. Okay, so the total extent of this mesosphere layer is actually 80 km. Okay, and this layer lies above this stratosphere. Okay, this is the layer where the gradual decrease of temperature takes place with the increasing height. It's similar like the troposphere. Okay, so in this particular layer also the temperature decreases with the the temperature decreases with the increase in the altitude. Means as we go more up in this particular layer, the more the temperature is going to drop. Okay, so there is an inverse relationship present over here. The temperature over here becomes as low as minus 80 degrees Celsius, and the upper boundary of this layer is known as the mesopause. Okay, so this is the end of this video. I'll continue with the next of the portion in the next video. Thank you everyone.